What if I told you that the reason why you're not wealthy yet has nothing to do with your skills, your hustle, or the economy? After coaching hundreds of people, I have found the miss. I found out that 90% of people are fixing the wrong problem. Today, I'm exposing the 3 world blocks that no one talks about and how to fix them. And number 2 is going to shock you. So make sure you stick around. Block number 1, guilt. Some people subconsciously feel that money is bad or having a lot of money is selfish, okay? And some of these beliefs have been induced by maybe religious beliefs, upbringing, and background that makes you feel that rich people are selfish or are greedy. And how do you know if you are guilty of this? What I want you to do is close your eyes and think about money. What feelings come to you? Are you anxious? Are you excited? Or do you feel guilty? The truth is that some people feel that, oh, if I have a lot of money, I'm selfish or I'm depriving other people from having money. And the more I have, the less other people have. And it causes a feeling of guilt in your mind. And that stops you from maximizing your potential and being as wealthy as you can be. And this is why affirmation fails. Because you can't manifest something that you secretly judge. What you think must match what you're saying. Okay, and how do we fix this? We fix this by rewriting your money story. And it's a simple thing you need to do. You need to begin to see money as a tool. So what I want you to do right now is quickly pause this video and say to yourself, money is a tool. Okay, I'm waiting. Say it. Money is a tool. Block number 2, misaligned action. You're working hard, but you're working hard in the wrong direction. You're not working hard in the direction of your natural talents and natural giftings and natural skills, okay? And so you're actually doing the work, but you're doing it in the wrong vehicle. I heard somebody say the other day that making money can be easy when you find the right vehicle, when you're using the skills, the gifts, and the talents that you have been given. So how do you know if you have this block? I want you to think about it. Every Friday when your work is over, how do you feel? Do you feel relieved that, oh my God, I'm done with this, okay? Or every Monday, do you feel excited or do you feel sad to be doing the work that you're doing? That is how you know if you are taking misaligned action. There is no alignment between what you're doing and what it is that you're skilled at doing and what it is you're called to do. I want to recommend my video on alignment, the key to actually making money, because I break that down, this concept more in that video, okay? So, for example, you're working a 9 to 5, but you're a creative person in your heart. You know that you will thrive as a creative. You know that you will do well if you're doing something that was much more creative and aligned with who you are truly. How do you fix this? I want you to audit yourself. Does your work energize you or your work drains you? If your work drains you, you might be misaligned and not doing the work they're supposed to do. But if it energizes you, then you are on the right path. So drop a comment, drop a fire emoji if you felt this, and tell me what it is. Does your work energize you or does it make you sad? Block number 3, you need money to make money. Now, this is something that I've heard from so many people so many times as the excuse as to why they're not making money. But let me shock you. I've started a few businesses with, in fact, I remember one of my businesses that started with less than $50 and I ended up making tens of thousands of dollars. And that is because I chose to use what I had. People think that, you know, to make money, you have to have money. But the truth is, to make money, you have to have the right systems, okay? And you also have to put value on what you know and learn how to maximize and optimize what you know, okay? And it all starts with your mindset. And that's why I always recommend my Millionaire Mindset course, because if you can unlock that millionaire mindset, then you begin to see the possibilities that are available for you, and then you can make money with ease. Another thing that is very important to be able to make money, and the way to fix the whole concept of you have to work hard and kill yourself to make money, or you have to have money to make money, is to build systems, okay? When you have systems that are constantly running, whether or not you're asleep or awake, then this is going to help you continue to make money and not have to kill yourself or stress yourself. And building the system don't have to cost an arm and a leg. I have built a tool with different tools you can use to automate your life, automate your business. If you want this tool, you can comment below. I'll also put the description below to get my AI and automation tools that will help you basically automate your life, and so that you can actually make money without killing yourself and without saying that you have to wait for some big money to make money. These 3 blocks are what might be holding you back. Number 1, guilt. Number 2, misaligned action. Number 3, that limiting belief that you have to have money to make a lot of money, or you have to kill yourself to make a lot of money. To be able to overcome this block, that's why I created my Millionaire Mindset course. It's going to help you to unpack these limiting beliefs and actually unlock your abundance mindset that will take you to the next level of earning and abundance. Now, if you're not ready for it, I also have a free guide on how to upgrade your money mindset. You will see it in the description below, or you can comment mindset and I will send you the guide. Let me know which of these blocks resonates with you and which of them you're going to be working on to transform your life. Remember, wealth is not about luck. It's about overcoming those barriers that hold you back. I hope to see you in the comments. If it's added value to you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share with your community and your friends, so that we will all overcome those blocks that are holding us from being wealthy, and so that we can become the wealthy, abundant people God has called us to be. And I'll see you again in the next one.